Hey everybody, welcome to Ask a Garage Guru. I'm Stuart.
I'm Ray.
And today we're talking about the things you wouldn't be expecting from your garage that you'd love. So what specifically about garages?
Well, first of all, we're at my garage.
Yep.
So we're talking about the things you didn't really think you needed until you had them.
You know what? I hear that so much, Ray, where when we go out to a customer's home, they're excited about a lot of things when it comes to their garage. They want it to look better. They want it to be cleaner. Things like that. You know, reasons for really wanting a garage. But so often we hear them say, when I got it, I learned so much more.
Right. This weekend, we had a family event over here. We just put the kids out here. They could play bags. They had their scooters out here. They were playing dice games, these big dice that we have. They were throwing them on the floor.
So were you worried about a mess out here? Did they make one? Was it easy to clean up? What was that experience like?
Well, I don't know what part of the country everybody's from, but they either had soda or they had pop. So at least a couple cans of that were just wiped out here, and we just let it, we're like, well, that's no big deal. Don't track it in the house. So I mopped it, perfect shape again.
Easy.
A lot better than it happening in the kitchen.
So not only does it look clean, but it's easier to clean then. So something maybe you didn't expect.
I expected it to be fairly easy to clean because I knew about the product, but I forgot that I didn't have to worry about it becoming messy.
Yeah.
That's what I kind of forgot about. So yeah, it was awesome.
Well, those are the types of things that we hear from customers all over the place, very similar to Ray, and other things that we hear all the time when they say, I was excited about my garage, but now that I have it, I can't believe how much I love it. Well, guys, we hope that you give us a thumbs up if this was helpful for you. You like it, subscribe as always, and we'd love to hear your comments. Have you gotten a garage recently, or are you wanting a garage, and what kind of benefits do you think you could get from your brand new garage? We'd love to hear from you. Ray, thanks so much for inviting me back into your garage.
Yeah, a lot nicer than last time, huh?
Yes. See you guys.
Hello, garage.